Well, it's an early start to the day. It is almost 4 a.m. in the morning, and we are getting ready for a 16-hour drive from my house. So it's going to be a very long drive day. I've wanted to go to this derby for the last 5, maybe 4 years, I think it's been. And every time I've said work's been too busy and blah, blah, blah. Well, you know what? I've had enough. My work made me get my COVID shots, so I got my COVID shots so I can get across the border. And now I'm going to go pick up my friends. I'm going to show up at their house at 4:30 in the morning and start pounding on the door. And I cannot wait to start our adventure. We probably will not make it there today because we're going to stop in Indiana and meet up with another friend before we make our way there. So, what derby do you think we are going to? Stay tuned, everybody. And that's Toronto off in the distance. I want no part of you, and I want no part of your traffic for the next day. Actually, for the next week. Hopefully we can avoid all the problems that Toronto's going to give us. Wake the fuck up!
I am awoke.
We made it. Now to get everything from this truck. You can't even see my hands. Everything from this truck to that truck.
Oh, no! Orange straps! We're not taking those big fucking ugly things! Come on!
We're getting ready to go!
Orange straps!
Where are they?
I don't know, where have you put them?
Excuse me, sir. You can't park there! You can't park there!
Well, he's a fast bus, is he?
Fast pass.
Fast buses?
Oh, maybe.
Well, that cocksucker doesn't have to wait. Oh yeah, no line up here.
That's what I'm hoping for. It says there's a 10-minute delay on the GPS on my phone.
That's it?
Yeah. I think this is a much better choice than Windsor.
No idea.
There's the bridge right there, boys. It's our fucking road to freedom right there. I don't know if you can tell by all the miles per hour on the dash, but we're in America now. America. So now we have 5 hours and 10 minutes to our first destination. Where do you guys think we're going first? Take some guesses. Leave the comments down below. We'll maybe do a little video on when we get there. What does that say? What does that sign say? I think I can see it. That's right. We're in Indiana. We're here to see one of my friends. Just stopping so everybody can use the porta potty here and I can get a cell phone charger because I have no idea where I'm going because my phone died, but we're making it down here. This place is closed right now, but we are still heading away. So let's see when we can get there. What are you doing? Well, guys, do you know where we are? Do you know where we made it to? Check out whose car this is. I've been telling him I was going to come to his house for the last couple of years, and today I have the opportunity, so I'm going to say hi before I have to carry on my way to the demolition derby I'm going. It's still about another 9 hours past his house. So it won't be a long visit, but it'll be a nice visit. Well, we couldn't go all the way down there without stopping to say, Mitch, it's right on the way, so we stopped in. I gave Mitch a shirt. Thanks for meeting me, Mitch. It was nice seeing you again. But make sure you check out his channel. I know that he's got a lot more subscribers than me, but check him out.
Yeah, you're catching up.
I'm catching up. 10,500.
You'll get there.
All right, we got to continue on because it's about another 9 hours to get there. You guys have figured out what derby we're going to yet? Probably not.
They will.
Yeah, they will. Such an amazement here. I just wanted to look around and walk and talk to as many people as I could and start looking at it. But today is the fix-it day for all the national teams and the qualifying teams. What a show that was put on last night. These cars are intense. I've never seen anything like these cars, and I probably will never see anything like them again. Like, after the heat, these guys are working on these cars all night. I've seen Team Kansas over there pulling a motor out to fix a transmission. It is crazy how straight some of these cars still are. Steering seemed to be the #1 issue last night, but honestly, with how jacked these things are, I think steering is probably one of the weakest links on them. The Imperials were something different to watch, that's for sure. I don't get to see those around me very much, especially not to this caliber. Yeah, these guys say they watch on Zacks Workshop. And they just did that. About 35 seconds in.